Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna salad with celery. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cans of drained tuna, about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and 1 stalk of finely diced celery. You will also need a small bowl and a fork. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. It is a classic for a reason, offering a delightful blend of textures and flavors. Let's get started on this easy and delicious meal. Now, let's combine everything. Take your well-drained tuna and put it into a mixing bowl. Next, add the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and your finely diced celery. Using a fork, gently flake the tuna and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. You want to ensure the mayonnaise evenly coats the tuna and celery. This step is crucial for achieving that creamy, satisfying texture we all love in a good tuna salad. Keep mixing until it looks perfect. To elevate the flavor, consider adding a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, perhaps 1 teaspoon, can also brighten the entire dish. Mix these additions in thoroughly. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed to suit your preference. Your easy tuna salad with celery is now ready to enjoy. Serve it on crackers, bread, or lettuce wraps for a versatile and satisfying meal. It's truly that simple. For best results, store any leftover tuna salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 3 days, making it a great option for meal prepping. This recipe is incredibly versatile. Feel free to add other ingredients like chopped pickles or red onion. And speaking of meal prep, if you're looking for ways to make your food storage simpler, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.